This is the Vocktail. It makes water taste like wine, or anything you program. It hijacks sight, smell, and taste. How? An LED changes the liquid's color, creating visual expectation. Air pumps release scent cartridges, fooling your nose with aromas. Electrodes on the rim deliver electrical current to your tongue. This is digital taste. Varying current simulates salty, sour, or bitter. The project began with the digital lollipop. Imagine sweetness with no sugar, a benefit for diabetics. Have a cocktail party with one bottle of water, dialing custom flavors. Or try a wine before opening. Share flavor profiles. The 2017 prototype proved sensory simulation was possible. This could help chemo patients who lost taste. Infinite, zero-cost sensory experience. Perfect flavor every time. The Vocktail is one note in a larger symphony. This is the Internet of Senses. The Internet will be felt, smelled, and tasted. 6G networks by 2030 will make this a reality. Virtual experiences indistinguishable from reality. A full sensory broadcast. Watch a cooking show and smell the food. Feel product texture online. A programmable reality is a hackable one. Sensory hacking. If companies stream sweetness, hackers could stream bitter. What if your sensory data is a commodity? Companies know what you crave. The line between real and sponsored vanishes. Is this my memory or an ad? We trade authenticity for convenience, trusting our connection to the world. The Vocktail turns senses into an interface, a new surface for the internet. First haptics, now digital taste and smell. A Spotify for taste, a library of flavors, streamed for a fee. Real food becomes a luxury, while masses consume digital flavors. This 2017 prototype asked the first question. With 6G, answers are coming. If taste is this easy to fake, what if a machine reads your thoughts? That exists now. If taste is this easy to fake, what happens when a machine can read your thoughts? That's not science fiction. That exists now.